Hey, how are you? How have you been? It's been a couple of weeks. A lot's been going on, I gotta tell you. So, what's happened? Well, you know about the hailstorm. That's all still going on. The insurance company came, we had some quotes, and now we've got a new roof just been put on. So that's nice. The vinyl siding though, that's still going on. Unfortunately, everything is back ordered right now, so we're waiting for vinyl siding to come in to go on the house. The Macmillan competition, that went great. I got second place. So that's wonderful. Thank you to everybody who was involved. Congratulations to everybody that competed. Thank you to the Macmillan Band and all the organizations that got together to put that on. Thank you to the judges for taking their time. And just what an incredible event. Thank you, everybody. What else? So, I've got a tenor drum coming. So stay tuned for that. I'm actually going to give that away. So stay tuned. Another video on that to come. I will say, if you don't have those RDProStikz t-shirts from Etsy, now's the time to go get one. What else is happening? The NAAPD, that's going on. I will be attending that. It's a 5-week-long event. The places for everybody go on a week long at a time, so it's going to be an amazing week for me. I will give you some behind the scenes footage, maybe do a couple of interviews with some instructors, and just give you the inside scoop of what an amazing event this really is. Highland Games, there's some coming up. There's Grandfather Mountain, Stone Mountain, there's the Scotland County Highland Games, there's Charleston, so there's plenty to go to. I will be at least one of those, if not two, so stay tuned for that. And what else? Well, my private life is crazy. My oldest daughter is graduating middle school, so we're doing a little fun thing for that. My youngest daughter, she just lost a tooth, and the tooth fairy came, and somebody got rich off of that. And just lots and lots of things happening, so stay tuned, more videos to come. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.